How to connect Phantom Wallet to Bullx. So open your Bullx account here, right? Log in into your Bullx account. So we have to connect with our Telegram account. So we have to do this, right? So just go and click on Start Bot and it will redirect to your Telegram account. Now this is it. And here you have to just go and click on Start, right? And here you have to just write /start, right? And here you can see, go to Telegram settings, username, set your username, right, and start. So I will just write here my username, right, and /start. I hope this work out, and you will get this option of login. So login, and here just go and click on open. Right now you will be redirected to here on the same Telegram web, right? Just open it up, and once you're here you have to link it. So you have to enter your phone number and just go and click on next, and you will able to link your account. By the way guys, if you're facing this problem of username, so you have to set your username here in your, you have to go to the settings and make sure you set this up, and also make sure you remember this up. So I'll just press the enter, and right now I will enter my, and then you can just go and click on /start, and here you can see you're currently on the waitlist for early access. We will notify you as soon as you have the access. Right now, once you have done, now once you have already access of Bullx here, we can go to the next option, that is click on your add wallet, right? So this is my Phantom wallet, and in the Bullx you will get this option of add wallet. Choose Solana as your wallet type since Phantom wallet operates on the Solana blockchain. Enter your name for your wallet, example Phantom. Open your Phantom wallet extension or app, click on receive icon. So I will just go and click on receive. Copy your Solana, so I will just copy it. As you can see here, the address has been copied. Go back to your Bullx wallet manager and paste your copied Solana address into the designated field. After filling out all this required field, click on this add wallet button to complete the process. Note that it may take up to 1 hour for your wallet to be activated on Bullx after adding it. So by following all these steps, you will able to link it. Thanks for watching this video.